Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this here, the special Elainone men's summer set. Ooh, this is a set of two pieces, a t-shirt and shorts. These are tracksuit shorts, breathable and elastic. Leisure suit for men. Modern slim fit. And it looks that you're back in the 80s. Oh yeah, that's cool. Either for sports, for vacation, and everyday use. Get it in black, get it in other colors like gray or white, dark blue, or more lightful blue or green. Get it in M and L and extra large and extra large and 3 extra large. In my case, I choose the 3XL version, and it looks really cool as you can see. It is good while I get in sports, basketball, something else, or I can go running or gym and something else. It is really good for every workout, and of course with daily routine wear. And it's lightweight and breathable, perfect for the summertime. This man's summer set is made of 95% polyester and 5% elastane. This making particularly lightweight, quick drying and breathable. Ideal for hot days, it keeps us pleasantly cool. Whether we're doing sports or in our free time, you'll look every time really cool, as you can see. We have here a sporty color block design to set the outfit stand out from the ordinary loungewear. This set features a striking, contrasting stripes on the collar, cuffs, and hem. Together with the excellent woven labels on the top and pants, a structured, sporty look is incredible. That exudes dynamism and modern style. And we have a flexibility fit. Because these two pieces outfit includes a short and sleeve shirt and a matching short, means the trousers are equipped with an elastic waistband and an adjustable drawstring, so you can use it and wear it like you need it. This allows us an individualist master and the good adjustability to our waist and offers an unrestricted freedom of movement without pressure points. And we have a 2-in-1 outfit, which is easy to combine because you can use them as you need it. Because this 2-piece set offers us a complete outfit in one. We wear together for a clean look or combine top and shorts separately as shown here. That's ideal for versatile styles. You can choose them and you can wear them as you need it. Wear the t-shirt or only the trousers. Wear combine both, no problem. You can handle this. You can make a good workout with that. You can go to the gym, no problem. But you can also use it for daily routines. Wow. Versatile sports, leisure and holidays. Whether we're in the gym or while jogging at the home or on vacation. This leisure suit is perfect for a companion, a real all-around set for active. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and give me a positive feedback and opportunity to get on my channel. Dun dun!